Best way to study for CCNA Beginner Roadmap. If you're preparing for CCNA but feel confused about where to start, this video will give you a clear step-by-step roadmap to pass faster, even as a beginner. The Cisco CCNA certification is one of the most valuable entry-level IT certifications. But here's the truth. Most people fail not because it's hard, but because they follow the wrong strategy. Let's fix that.
Section 1. Exam Overview. The CCNA 200-301 exam covers network fundamentals, IP connectivity, switching and wireless, security basics, and automation. And it's not about memorizing, it's about understanding plus practical skills.
Section 2. Step 1. Fundamentals. Start with strong basics. OSI and TCP/IP models, routers, switches, firewalls, LAN, WAN, WLAN. If your foundation is weak, everything else becomes difficult.
Section 3. Step 2. Subnetting. Next, master subnetting. Focus on IPv4 versus IPv6, CIDR notation, and subnet calculations. Practice daily. Even 15 minutes can turn this into your strongest topic.
Section 4. Step 3. Hands-on labs. Theory alone is not enough. Use tools like Cisco Packet Tracer. Practice. VLANs, routing, basic configurations. Labs equals real understanding plus better exam performance.
Section 5. Step 4. Best resource. Now this is important. Don't just randomly study from YouTube. Use a structured course that follows the latest CCNA syllabus, includes labs, explains concepts clearly. I've added a full guide in the description to help you choose the best course.
Section 6. Step 5. Security and automation. Don't ignore modern topics. ACLs, network security basics, automation concepts. These are easy marks if you prepare smartly.
Section 7. Step 6. Practice tests. Take mock exams regularly. After each test, find your weak areas, fix them immediately. This is how toppers prepare.
Section 8. Study plan. Follow this simple 8-week plan. Weeks 1 through 2, basics. Weeks 3 through 4, subnetting. Weeks 5 through 6, routing and switching. Week 7, security. Week 8, revision plus mocks. Consistency beats everything.
If you're serious about passing CCNA, check the link in the description for the best structured course and full guide. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and start your networking journey today.